Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of a chopped cheese sandwich that I made. I have some weird bread that Walmart did a substitute on. So I'm eating it on some kind of croissant bread, so it's different. This is my first time actually trying chopped cheese. Well, first I'm actually making it. I made it the other day and I'm just eating it as a leftover and it was pretty good. I never heard of it before. They say it's a lot of people in New York actually eat it. But yeah, on my bread I have just some mayo. They use other sauce on it, but I'm just doing mayo. And I have some lettuce, tomatoes, and I'm sure, of course, like the meat or whatever. I just season it how I want it to, basically, and then I chopped up some beef patties or whatever. It's basically almost a hamburger to an extent, but yeah, but chopped up. And I have red and white onions and also bell pepper chopped up in it too. So it's good. Well, yeah, good shot. Said the heck. It looks sloppy, but yeah, and I forgot I do have some Swiss cheese on it as well. And I also will be drinking a Summit ginger beer that I got from my aunt and my uncle. I visited their house. It was good. A good enjoyment to actually see my family and stuff. I always enjoy doing that, so yeah. So I'm about to eat this. Pretty good. I would prefer to actually have it on different bread, but it's pretty good. This bread is pretty grainy. I also have some Lay's chips. So yeah, this is the side. I took a mini vacation like Friday and Monday, and it seems like it's not enough. I don't feel like going back to work. I don't know. I don't know if anyone actually loves their job. It's always some BS crap, but regardless of where, I guess, where you go to, it's always gonna be some mess, basically. I wish I would have put more mayo on there, like drowned it with mayo. I like mayo. Yeah, that's enough. I'm sleeping. It seems like it's been a long weekend, well, long week so far. I didn't even do nothing really, but just see my family and just sleep basically all day. Oh yeah, I cleaned out my refrigerator. Yeah, I think I cleaned out my refrigerator on Friday. It was Saturday or Friday. One of those days. I thought I was gonna put my Christmas tree up today, but I was like, yeah, this is gonna be a relaxing day. So this is like, what the heck? Dang. So I guess sometime soon it'll be put up. I'm tired of looking at this Grinch crap. Every time he just looking like, what the heck? I don't understand. Yeah, I'm about to try this ginger beer, Summit ginger beer. Smells lovely, whatever. It gives like a more like refreshing, almost to an extent, smell of ginger. So yeah, let's try this. Yeah. Dang, I like this one better because this one, it actually tastes like ginger. It doesn't like seem like you got it straight out the pot of boiling ginger or whatever, and you just put it straight in the bottle like the Fever Tree is. This one actually tastes like a beverage or whatever that actually have stuff that you would want to drink, as far as if you like ginger beer but you don't want it to be like really hit you in the face, or if you just don't want to take medicine. I would drink the Fever Tree if I wanted to take medicine or whatever, or if I wanted to just open my insides up and give me a quick relief, like to drain my sinuses out or whatever. But this actually tastes like it have sugar cane in it. Like, it don't taste like it's like, as far as the soda where they have all these like toxic things in it or whatever. Let me see. And they make it known as non-alcoholic. No sugar cane. I do have other things in this. It almost tastes like it has sugar canes in it. Or sugar cane. I never seen this in the stores or whatever. I never tasted it. It's pretty good. Yeah, it is pretty good. Whew. Finished eating. It's pretty good. I'll probably make this again on a different day, but people say it's just like a hamburger, but it's like a more like, gives it more fat flavor. It's kind of like almost a burger mixed with a Philly cheesesteak with the bell peppers or whatever. I like it. Next time I would like to try it with cheddar cheese, or maybe cheddar cheese and the Swiss cheese. But it's still good with the Swiss cheese though. I was gonna eat some leftover menudo, but like as soon as I left my aunt's house, which they had the menudo or whatever, and they let us have it. Thank you again. Have some or whatever. And I went to my mom's house and I spent the night at my mom's house or whatever, and then I left my bowl of menudo at my mom's house. And I kind of had my mind set on eating that, so it was kind of frustrated. And I was like, yeah, I might as well just eat this. I thought this was going to be another meal for like sometime this week when I didn't feel like cooking or whatever. So I just took it out the freezer. So I be trying to pre-cooked meals or like prep meals or whatever, but yeah, it happens. It's happened a lot lately these days. I don't know. Me and my mom was talking about how Lay's taste different. If they're like, if you freshly eat them, they taste totally different than afterwards. Like when I open the bag, it always tastes like just regular Lay's. I don't think anything about it. But then, like if I have them sit out for a while, they taste like Munchos. I don't know. It's weird. It tastes like it to me. But my mom said it was a different flavor to her as well. What the hell? I'm starting to sound like Bobby Boucher. What the heck? Yeah, this is too much. Might end up watching that tonight, The Water Boy or something. I be trying to find new things or whatever, but the things I like are good or I want to watch is always not available or not available for free, and I'm not about to pay like no $9 to rent a movie. Or the thing that's available that I find online for free is just like horrible. So, man, horrible bootleg, whatever. I need some new movies or new ideas to watch on episodes. And also some of the shows are not coming back anytime soon, like P-Valley or whatever. I like that. Raising Cane, David Makes a Man. Those are some good shows. I think David Makes a Man is on already completed his second season. I think the third season. I don't know if they're gonna come out on it or not, but I like that. Yeah, I've been watching lately. I just got Hulu. I got Hulu for to watch something. Oh, Yama or whatever. One of her old episodes with the Pacers, and I was trying to watch it, but couldn't because I didn't get the real the upgraded version. So, anyways, long story short, excuse me, I ended up watching Abbott Elementary, which I always wanted to watch it. I was just trying to wait till the actual complete season actually finished, because I hate watching good shows and have to wait on the actual for the people to release it. So I got tempted to watch it, and now I'm waiting on Tuesday to come to see a new show. It's pretty good. Like for a black show, I haven't seen a lot of black shows lately that's not corny to an extent. It's still on the verge of being kind of iffy, but it's not corny, at least. Just kind of coonish, but not really corny. not really corny as far as I've seen lately people releasing with black shows that be on ABC. So, but I love like Quinta B. She's a good actor. Well, she's a good comedian to me. So, really watching her for a long time. So, I'm glad that she's been made it. So I'm glad that she's on ABC and got her own show. So, yeah. Have to drink it again. Heck nah. Ooh, crap. If the bottom meal was really spicy, what the heck? I almost get into the bottom meal was really spicy. I have enough left for one more sandwich, so that'll be enough for the last sandwich. So see how that goes. So I guess the mayo was out the back. Weird. Every time I record, it seems like we be doing the most over here. Pretty good, yeah. I'm just hoping. Well, I don't know. It's supposed to be a snowstorm coming like down here in my area, like Wednesday and Thursday. So I don't know how that's gonna be. Hopefully it's not like last summer, but it's not like negative or anything. So I'm most definitely probably gonna go to my mama's house if it's gonna be anything like last year. I don't want to stay over here in this crap. Yeah, I can't do it. I can't do another part too. It was a fun experience now that I made it alive, but nah, I'll get a few more tips. But nah. Never again. I don't even want to go anywhere where it's cold. I wouldn't go to Colorado. I don't know. Dang sure wouldn't go to no Alaska. It's, yeah, too much. I like it. I think I wouldn't go with the original recipe. I would just go with my own seasoning, to be honest. Some of the stuff that I've seen on YouTube or the original people say that's the original way to make it, they had like seasonings I don't use, so. I was already gonna know that I wasn't gonna like it if I used those seasonings. I am done. Okay. I am done. So, pick my table right quick. But yeah, I'm done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, share, do whatever you want. Thank you guys for actually still staying along and enjoying this ride with me. So, yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, guys.